Homestead Handyman here, starting on a new project. Today what I'm working on is this rain barrel over here. We have a 250-gallon tank, which is a little larger than what I was hoping for, but we live in this crazy world now where you just can't get the parts and the things that you want and the selections, so you get what you get. And that's what I got. So we got a 250-gallon tank, and what I have to do is cut in a hole on the bottom for the drain, for where you get your water from. I need to cut in another hole on the side over here, and what that's going to be for is, let me grab this piece here that I've already built, and what this is going to do is come up here, go over there like this and catch the gutter and then into the tank. Additionally, what I have to do is put an overflow inside the tank, so when the tank fills up, that the water will overflow inside and run out, and then we'll have a constant circulation of water in there, keeping it fresh. So let me get started on this task here, and we'll get to some water saving. Okay, so I got the hole drilled in here. Now the trick comes. This is at the bottom. You see how far that is, so to the top there. Is I have to get this piece in here, but I need to take this piece and get it on the inside of the tank and then thread these together. So now we have to figure out how we're going to do that. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Let's get started. Okay, so I got some Romex, and what I did is feed it into the hole that I made here. Let's go walk on the other side. And then we have a wire, put the wire protruding out of there. You can see that I've threaded the inside piece in there, and now what I have to do is stand up the tank, and hopefully the black piece right there is going to slide down, resting over there, and we will just attach it over there. Let's see how this works. Okay, so it worked. As you can see, there's the fitting down there, so I will just hold on to the fitting and then pull the wire out and put the nut right there on it. Now that I have moved the tank, I'll show you what I did over here on the base. Cleaned it all out here. There was a bunch of junk, and then I put down these pavers here. They've been sitting here for a while so that everything will just kind of level out and settle in, and now I think we're good to go. Okay, well that process worked very well. For a one-man job, doing it this way with the wire, you could use a piece of rope, but the wire had a little bit more stability, so that's what I tried. So now we're going to put in a drain on the side, doing the same procedure. Okay, I want to show you a piece that I had to make that's going to go inside. So what we have here is a piece of PVC pipe, and I'll just bring it up this way so I can show you. And I've made a 90-degree here, and this of course will go in the tank. So this piece is going to drop down into the tank and attach on the bottom for a drain. So what's going to happen is the water is going to come in to the barrel and drop down into here. As the water starts to fill up, it will come up to the same point here and will overflow here when the barrel gets full, and then run down and out the barrel and out the drain, so that we always have circulation. This way, as the water's dropping in and it's coming back up, any debris that's floating is going to get knocked off and go in the top, and it keeps the water recirculating a bit. Alright, so let me get this installed and we'll see how this goes. Alright, I have the tank back in place. So you can see on the bottom there, the front one is going to be where you get the water from. The other one will be the overflow drain that I just showed you. And then around this side, we have that connector right there, which will come over. And I've already got that piece mounted on there. So now what I need to do is make the connection from here to there. Alright, let me get going. Okay, I got the top pipe, the fill pipe, installed. You can see I used a rubber 90 there. I'll take down that existing gutter there later on. But now we're flowing in and coming in, and we got our fill. So let me get on to the drain and the valve. Alright, well, there we go. Done. That's a wrap. You can see we have the drain valve on the bottom in the front, and then we have the drain for the entire tank, the overflow right there. You'll notice on the bottom there, I flipped that up there, so when the water's coming out of there, that it won't just wash away everything and kind of burble out of there. Bubble? Burble? Is that a word? I don't know. So now all that's left is to leak check. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It motivates you to maybe put up a tank for yourself. You know, there's a lot of crazy stuff going on in the world and the country, so it doesn't hurt to have some water around at the homestead. This is the Homestead Handyman, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big like, the thumbs up, and subscribe. Homestead Handyman, out.